Hi there! In this quick tip video guide I will show you how you can magnetize your miniature to accommodate different wargear options. For this video I will use a Shork Tribal Warrior from Verge of War. The tools and material you need are a marking pen, a hobby drill with a small drill bit, super glue and of course magnets. I'm using neodymium magnets, 2mm in diameter and 1mm in thickness from TT Combat, and you can find a link in the video description. I will also use a power drill with a 2mm drill bit. I will start by marking out the location where the hole should be drilled. After that I make a small dent using the hobby drill. This will make drilling the larger hole more manageable, as the power drill won't slip as easily. I'm starting out slow and I'll increase the RPM once I have achieved a comfortable depth. Before gluing the magnet in place, it's important to dry fit it to ensure you have achieved a sufficient depth. Notice how I make use of the magnet stack attached to the hand, so as not to slot the magnet in the wrong way and reverse polarity. I was a little careless here and attached two magnets without realizing it. As such, there was a small gap between the arm and the hand. I therefore had to remove one of the magnets and shave the arm a little with the hobby knife. The magnetized joint now fits nicely. Hope you found this guide useful and thank you for watching.